Asem yidika.
Inna beka.
Akwasi insia.
Commander 6.
Kano senior.
Dabia kacho sebeka ne senior esimi etie. Nyame asumdwe enkoma ye nyina. Mededi akwasi insia semi dika bre na edrusin. Alpem gidi se obia ho ye. Na akwekwan ba bedi nkomode afa anesifue etu ate omate. Ehun so ya enya o Ghana de hye kwa yarsabia ekope ayahwe na kwekwan ya best electricity company of Ghana can you do asante mampona too much ECG can you do asante mampona too much ade de enko na nanu mpo Ghana mpanfu akese se bona kan ye dum ne so ani Munyao bibi na idol sododo. Munyao bibi na ya itu yisi jimpenfo wa santima ponsori. Ade munya Ghana phobia. On sorry waka. O isa o pia na hwefon. O be na ade. Mo se microphone ema. Na ikese se koso okrom na ye dudum kania basa na Ghana wata so de ne de so number bi. Weba mama first slide ni nurse for yin ho komo. So Ghana nurse for dudu na ewo tuatem. No masem nyina 8 awa ene niema ya bon tofa ewo ahanumi. Ene se ne edikan omo nurse for no mo yare no mo kwa yasabia. Omo na mehwe nkrofo no oni insurance bi o yare ono ani yibotom sika no de ahwa amanfo abanyo bibi famo omo. It told me a 30-month salary to ease the cushion cost of living. Yempe bi kakra so betimi abo machidom e wa ketwe na chi se na be ya obrama ohihia no ano betimi abrase. The rural incentive to support those who leave the comfort of their home to serve in hard to reach areas of the country. Afiyempe nwanam kakra enso wona yekọ ekurasi tu akoye adwuma se anesefo no yepe akamfa so masene. After the risk allowance for those who work in the most dangerous conditions. And after anes from one more, Oshe ayasabia no wono, and the 7 months for Moshe na yana yaribu too dangerous. It's here because I the risk allowance. So say ordinary kwa to such a channel at the ajobi enquano. Ye baby kakra and fan so nasne hodom. Then 1,000 Ghana cedis support for each nurse or midwife training, uniforms and safety. Eti anase form so agent tie e wanese font tie e bia no ye pebe se Ghana scan city be sapem na yefa enso modwumadie enso emu compensation for extra duty and on call. Okay, to see who your doctor na nurse ni ho no ma woni afrew bibia bobori oso ba sesi esrew pa enso bibi kaka enfa nto no se na bia esia betumi bi area aso msam. A commitment by the employer to ensure they work in safe environment. Afa aban making sure say hospitals na nkakaya aban edianom e ho betumi aye safe na sem nurse ni betumi akọ adwuma asomdwem no se firi won aba asomdwem aban penefo hwe nyem o masem tiawa no eno no ena kofa hoye e de aba amamafo kan de omo so pe ade a kire omo anese fo so kire omo so nsemu na aban so gu nkotosire mu so extra nurse fo nse wonko na Ghana fo nyina so ye atum sa nurse fo sire moda monkora biko e modwuma na weba pa me ko Adom online na yema the breakdown of issues maybe a friend baby ababedru me pe Adom online salam aba nurse for akatwa no eso menyan ko makatwa no so. Okay, so this Adom online Fair Wages and Salaries Commission breaks down Ghana Registered Nurses Midwife Association's issues. It's about because our story, my friend. Let's go into the details of the story. Near her baby a shot say free and the baby a can say a war. We are only setting the record straight, yeah. So this Fair Wages and Salaries Commission, yeah, member consists Yamajuma. Ayabaya Juma. Mampeni John Dramani Mama now pow Ora Graham Smith. So on that Fair Wages and Salaries Commission ano. And on all sa account we abre baby a nurse for the triat no e shase o mun komodie no e shase the friend baby ababedre ne abedane atuati tie asma Fair Wages and Salary Commission boss under His Excellency John Dramani Mama administration e kan dey achi o say collective agreement was signed the Coalition of Service of the GNRA were agreed upon on May 20th, 2024. It appeared May 20th, 2024. and also empedifo esan tie fair wages empedifo biem. Follow-up for implementation. The Fair Wages Salary Commission wrote to the Ministry of Finance on July 1, 2024 for implementation of the collective agreement of the GRNMA. It is Fair Wages paid for same. While almost signed collective agreement, and see you now go for the adjustment. July was be the kind ewa fear chemu. And I'm sure Kata Koma, Ministry of Finance, I feel any answer for the Yina Benkrum, any other government case. That was July 1, 2024. The Fair Wages and Salary Commission paid for. Court case. However, the implementation process was put on hold due to a court case filed by the Psychiatric Nurses Association, a member of the GRNMA. Now, Fair Wages for say, Finance Ministry say failure. Collective agreement from a genie act to be a mobile salaman for kind of genie to say about you pay. And another folk will be almost a can will be a psychiatrist. And the court assemble say, or we are you my film. Until they don't make on prima implementation or any judgment. The Fair Wages in penny for. Internal rate resolved. The Ghana Registered Nurse Midwife Association informed the Fair Wages Salary Commission in February 2025. But what she did to so. That's not fair wages for the matter. Yes, she didn't answer. Or see, internal rate resolved. The Ghana Registered Nurse and Midwife Association informed the Fair Wages and Salary Commission in February 2025 that the case had been resolved through an alternative dispute resolution. Now, Fair Wages is a penny for saying, Edru February afimu, and a nurse for no, and this account for the Yanaban, but if I catch up say, a failure court insists one that's also Ninano, Yakalifi, yes, as we get to Yaba. It's about the collective agreement, yes, sign 2024. Ayejuma. Budget issue. The government budget preparation was already at an advanced stage at the time the nurses resolved its internal issue. And now Fair Wages forecast Abra and nurse from Becca Trumps are fed yes, assembly in every year. You bet him the condition of service na Yejuma. Sabra na abas na February, but no say abine so. I prepare the budget will be old no. What do the pa? Or cast war betch that I fear about the abine budget nina as in sign. Government challenge. The government faces challenges in implementing the condition of service due to budget limitations. Abai say, only a condition of service na nurse for the cano. E kwa be yejuma. Nenso. Esa so mensi kasambua. E na o sesie no akwa kweto kaso o tachi ni sesie ya e de asem to my Ghana so. Appeal. The Fair Wages Salary Commission on behalf of the government team has appealed today nurses to call off a strike to facilitate dialogue. And I'm afraid for a conclude the same. Almost say partners for natural. So with the penny says Sebio, our near team penny anymore. A binira. Yin I some call them. You could see a mass munga. No man nurse for no and call it off strike no. Assembling any. 81. Say Fair Wages in penny for cartel Modia Bay. Amiatia say. And ya dear says a Ghana buying, and I'm so yellow 2024. Nan kebeye ye nan so courtun sensem e baye. Ye di courtun sensem in area near to aba every. Ama bamu sakraye aba. Abamu sakraye so e baye no. Na hu ben ya sempen fo benya bre e de ahwe sansesema abayi emu. Eti nyina ntimi entiase. The issue na aba no. Eye afi and our Bible to resolve it. And I said the years ahead of us. And you fear tremor. This is according to Fair Wages and Salary Commission. They say Fair Wages and your owner, George Smith Graham. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the power no, as a penny power dano, or no and the busa contabui and the actually. Tinyama questions in America. It is a fear trem not abiding to be implemented the condition of service of a nurse for no. Because of court case a buyer. Ye says ya some we near ra afi we mu. Aso man penny Mahama in. Eti abanya was ne and a bit me deal with. Mami Anas Vakatriano, the computation now here for the average salary of a Ghanaian nurse. Okay. Eti Ghana nurse na katria enye. Obubuni nyina ebu mabese empimu num. Ahanu aduasa baako empesua aduasa enan. 5,231.34 Ghana cedis. Ya want to tia betetu. Tia titu we are. Na nyina ba beka 3,994.90. This is the average salary of a Ghanaian nurse. Maka Asem we na makoswa kande bia. The salary structure of this country is poor. Asem we ka mesa kan biem. Akatua won to tue oyɛ mamu no ɛyɛ poor. I've never agreed. So omanisi kasemu nyenti akatua to tue ɛyɛ poor. But it's because government want to prioritize where they want to prioritize. Baby aban pe se omana ni kono. Ho no omana ni ko. Uhwem peniphobia katwa ye gi no man we mu. Na hwe won na wo fam akatwa mo agia. Yes it ase. Penini akwada ntime nyi pe. Menyi ni se sa na Ghana adwani bi epe. Sa kwezi se kamjuma kamene eye Abdullah Wudu yo general manager enye pe dabi. But if the disparity may be too wider, I want to ask them one. Me see ene abai CEOs. E binim ushe even sika ya tekra dia bo mo gardeners e bro sa akatwa we ye de manesi ni. E big gardeners are taking 4,000 Ghana cedis. Gardener to a CEO. Akatwa no e bro nurse ni na ene wate atua am ye nyina ye ni abre ye kotodegu fom e pa chaw se wanko nipa ewu gardener min demonize obi adwuma ye no empare me but I'm say a gardener to a CEO of a government institution is taking 4,000 Ghana cedis. The average nurse ni na ode ne nkra ekotonom abom miunu enkwa no ogiwe. How do you think, say, Obe you okay? Na sebi ye nnuanum sentwerefo bi nso. Ye tuye ni ase nurse fo ni di omotem. Eti nya ora wo se nurse ni on ye nurse ni no. Oyare a jesu oyi ni bottom sika na odi ato aduro anom. Ba wote wonu ma na obi free ministry wey, na obi free agency wey, abesa no yare abra ban na atwa ho ka. Eti nya ora ho nya ahomete. How can we deal with this challenge? Salary disparities in our country. Too much. Too much. So many it should reflect. So mano ye kwa unye mu a ene kwasa kwasi anko ahotodo. See, we 100,000, we 135,000, we 90,000. Then after one say a 2 penteno, oh maybe a babedru. Let's need 3,000, part of 3,000, no, and let's check inflation. You say it way the actual money be connect bottom and the 3,000 inflation. Adi shim edeko. Look at the life of your retired nurses and teachers. Ye choni na show. Obi a nurse ni 33 years. Me see asase kontimi on to be. Onye kwhwini o. How can you live with 3,000 Ghana cedis one cry? Will be a baba ako mienu. And no kra single room on cry you say. So na me chano. It is sebio say a nurse for the car. And yes, if somebody be you to a young pia. Ya be tu matem ya be bro mu nwia. Me no mienu nyina ye journalist e to be ye hopping from one station to the other. Dia better condition of service. Most of the time. And the service nurse need pre better condition of service. I didn't na ye boni dua. I didn't na ye did that. I didn't na ye sopano. Is it because all nurse ni ntiana? We know the essential service they provide to us. If the enemy says essential service there, we should pay them essentially. Omana ketwa semunye. Mr. President, this is the time maybe we also have a national dialogue on salary structure in Ghana. The disparities in our salary structure no, are too much. Obi timi chira de 24, 25 years. Okufia ya hwe na setenem. Okufia ya hwe na setenem. Omi asesa ne mem. Because ye hu ne sadia one day and anase for so many amre anyina so anye ne ne. Sa na aban tie. Enye NPP enye NSO eya aban asa na meka. Sa na Ghana aban etie. Udi agrobe fa won sa hwen na mra so no oja okọ. Ti the nurse for any abre no. And ebi wo ye ni, ebi wo aban ni, ebi wo mo akasa nso ani. Menyini so mo ti fe sa na wo pe. Because we are near dena e fair say, wakoji ntete na ne ntete no eye adwuma akono. Sakosi se me sen training e na menya bibi mfa me sen training de na magye no eya no aye board kwa ofie. Menyini so mo ko mo ti fe ko mo ne je. Enya da petra. Let's find a way to deal with this challenge. Enya na se for nko. From government to private, there's a challenge with our salary structure. As a nation, we need to work on it. And yes, one day we wake up, now buy you a phone in our fear. Now buy you a phone in our fear. I quite remember time when MPP take over in 2017. The first board chairman of Cocoa Board, catch there. Say Cocoa Board see was just 75,000. No, it's been preso or see a teso out to now and take across the teso. So when you name him say there's a challenge. But now the same cocoa industry, the sea was just 75,000, 80,000 near the other. But now the same cocoa sector now can say, so what's the basic salary? The average. To sub you your teacher, you your nurse near. Who don't bring ye? Who don't sit down be ye? 70 months for Kautobia and Tinyana. Identity de sebi akatwa boni eku nsunsu nyemu ye na edu mo atam ne mobo. I pray we don't find ourselves in their conditions. Me be sra nurse for no e be sra mo sa America krebi na mo ne tenafie no the negative impact here enyo hospital no ano den yes the mo den ya menyini kwa se pese mama kura ni je I say you're going through this condition but e be sremo e be sremo munya hu bibi mfama ye because what kantamo din say mo ba gi yenkwa ensuo mu ewie mu e mo den ya so ye nurse now ya na wa ankasa na to botum sika e de akosa ho yade but you pakro na wa ban be ko from na so ba na ban man cover not be gi ayarsa e de free wonum ya be sremo any DM yes sremo the impact are too much it's sremo se kamut me calling off any enu ye na me aban akwakotena se biem ne aka nyina de nyina ya dansefo asem a ke be boa ye na sefo esrem nyame kama koma wate yepe ma chao nyame kama koma madam perpetua esro general secretary unu ko mankasa se gana force ye pa ma chao o me hweye Omai kwamra santia so my boko there
Agwesmidasi for your submission. That was here. Try come on so one say registrar, Ghana Scholarship Secretariat at lawyer Kwame Asafo J.